We got a grant from the Ohio Bar Foundation to begin a legal clinic. The way the legal clinic works is our clients are local to UC, so they'll be coming into our campus, but the students as they're working may be virtual or they may be in person. Either way works, and either way reflects real life opportunities for our students to talk with people, to interview with people, and to try to get those real practical skills so that they are ready for work on day one. In the United States, there is absolutely a legal crisis, and that crisis is that legal services are not affordable. How is that going to change? Paralegals make an impact in terms of access to justice. One of the things that we really focus on is we want to make sure that our students are ready and prepared for work as a paralegal in the legal profession on day one. What that means is they have to have practical skills. How do you speak with somebody? How do you ask the questions that are really difficult and talk about things that sometimes people don't want to talk about but need to talk about? One of the best things about the Law and Paralegal Studies program is truly the connections that we make, the connections that we foster with our students between faculty and also between themselves. Those are things that in life you will always come back and rely on. Once a bear cat, always a bear cat, and we want to make sure that our Law and Paralegal Studies program students understand that. At UC, we're constantly evolving to make sure that we are ahead of the curve in whatever the legal profession is going to face in the future, so our students are prepared.